So, Josh Gray here reporting to you in the middle of Shenzhen, and we're just kind of exploring around, right? Day 3 of our 14-day expedition, bringing you guys a lot of training and new information direct from the source. And there's been a lot of news about, Apple knockoffs and factories getting closed down and all this sort of stuff. So we see where that's coming from, and we wanted to kind of show you what the experience is here, because we actually found a counterfeit Apple store that is a very pretty store, but it's a counterfeit Apple store. So we wanted to kind of show you what they look like, so you can get better understanding of what's happening in the industry and why we get some of the news that we do and things that are affecting us as individuals in the repair business. So enjoy.
www.apple.com. How you loving that?
Yeah, buddy. It's a nice looking store though, it's clean.
It is a nice looking store. It is very clean.
Yeah, it's clean.
But it's definitely not an Apple store.
At all.
It's an Apple.com store.
Right. And it's right here in the middle of the Washing Plaza somewhere. We're not going to show you the location because we ain't trying to blow nobody up like that.
Right.
This is one of many stores we've seen this way. So enjoy. We'll continue to bring the expedition to you.
Hello guys, William Agnew here, quick PSA. So I hope you guys have been enjoying the episodes. I hope you guys are enjoying the information. Obviously, if you're watching this, then you've watched the beginning of this episode. And in the beginning, we kind of showed you guys and laughed a little bit about the Apple stores and what's going on over in China. Now, with that being said, the laws that govern China do not govern the United States, and the laws that govern the United States do not govern China. So there's nothing funny about copyright and counterfeit infringement. As a matter of fact, it's very serious and it can get you in a lot of trouble and get you a lot of time. So it's very important that you guys understand who you're working with and where you're getting your material from. That's very important, and what material you're using. Josh and I are going to be talking more about this in future videos. So if you're following us on our podcast, or if you're following us on our Facebook or social platforms, or if you're a student of ours or alumni of ours, then we're going to be spreading the word and giving you guys more information on this. We actually have a few movements that we're doing, one of which is called the Repair Right movement, which is hashtag Repair Right. We also have the Repair Responsibility or Repair Responsible movement, which is hashtag Repair Responsibly. All right, so we have both of those movements going, and both of those involve not infringing upon intellectual property and not working with copywritten material or working with counterfeit material. All right, that's a very serious thing, and on top of that, it's morally and ethically wrong. With that being said, again, I hope you guys are enjoying the information. I hope you guys enjoy the rest of this episode. Hashtag Repair Right, hashtag Repair Responsibly. Enjoy the rest of the episodes. Peace.
Actually, this should be all right.
Traveling is kind of the sacrifice you have to make. It's kind of one of those things you just kind of got to do, in order to get the information we need to give to our customers, so that we're given the correct information and we have access to the source and the resource. We have to, go build relationships, and a lot of times that involves going other places and seeing other people. So it's kind of what you have to do. It's the nature of the beast. Being away from family can be a struggle sometimes, but what sacrifice are you gonna make?
Here and get up for San Francisco so other passengers can make their connections. If you need any assistance, please let us know.
And when you go to these other countries and these other places on these, 17-hour flights and, 10-hour flights, it's really up to you to make sure you educate yourself on the similarities and the differences, of the laws and the do's and the don'ts in other countries. I mean, being ignorant of customs and things that are customary in other countries or not customary can get you in some really hot water if you're not aware of what you can do and what you can't do. So you got to be really careful. But all in all, it's a great experience. We really enjoy getting that information so that we can share that information with our clients and our students and our alumni. It's very important, making sure we keep them safe, keep them informed of what they can and can't do, should and should not be doing.
Chinese said starting calibration.
Okay, starting calibration. Gotcha.
搞完以后呢，然后这里面这个拆开的。
Here's our real sensor for the left side, our real sensor for the right side. and the emo that'll flash when there's an emergency. Okay, so the sensors, you have a top sensor here for the pneumatic actuator, bottom sensor here. Identical left and right. You can see the flags on the back. You bring it right in.
Access to the resources they need to be successful. A lot of times, you know, it's just kind of the nature of the beast. China is one of those places where, you know, everything is manufactured in China pretty much. I mean, the shoes you got on, you know, the clothes you wear, probably pretty much everything in your house is manufactured. 90% of it is manufactured in China. You know what I mean? So it kind of is what it is. It's the nature of the beast when you're talking about, you know, resources to materials needed a lot of times to, you know, accomplish the goal you're trying to accomplish.
I'm just trying to figure out where we gonna go. We got a whole plethora of places to choose from. We're right here, right in Washington North right now. Yeah, Vegas. Yeah, he was telling me to get cheap out here too.
What's the population of
8 million.
8 million? 8 million people.
I think there's about 200,000 of them right here on this corner.
Exactly. It's crazy, isn't it?
Oh, it's
Taylor.
Taylor.